Good morning, everyone. This is Anne Marie. Today is Friday, January the 4th, and this is SPY Outlook on the traffic of the day. I do want to point out that MotiveWave has added a delightful feature on its line charts that allow you to have a gradient, and that gradient is particularly helpful in determining whether something has got pullback potential or not. In the end, of course, it's not the technical indicator that tells you what you're supposed to do, but the price action itself. Many of us, again, focus way too much on the technical indicators as opposed to price, and that is why we get in trouble. So, that being said, this gradient feature I find to be extremely delightful, and I like it quite a bit. So just wanted to tell you guys that you can choose a gradient option. If you go to the line feature and choose gradient, it will give you this and give you a good chance of figuring out exactly what it is that's going to be going on with whatever line chart you decide to use. Okay, that being said, let's see what happens. We've got prior resistance to the left here. We know that that is going to be the resistance event for us. We've got a 78.6% wave action here that's pulled back and now moving up. If indeed we are in the middle of one of the harmonic animals, the butterfly, it will mean that we have an extension event that takes us all the way into 151.76. Now, I do believe that I've got a lot of old, brain is not working today. I do believe I had an old drawing of an SPX formation that points us up into very high levels. We could have that, but maybe not before a gap fill event. Not sure. There's a lot going on here. Upside momentum is showing up on a lot of different pattern formations. We're sitting above the monthly VWAP once more. Upside momentum does look incredibly reasonable at this juncture. The question is, do we do it before a pullback or do we do it after a pullback? All right, that's generally what it is that I am seeing in the charts. Suffice to say, if we breach this 146.30, we've got upside that grinds us into 147.15 and then into 148.11. If we have that, we should grind there again, pull back a little bit, and then start getting into this space right here, the 150 level. That's what it looks like. If we fail to hold 145.50, we know we've got downside momentum to the base of the gap. So be cautious there, pay attention, take a look at these 30-minute charts as they move. Notice we've got ourselves some pullback activity here that should indicate a hold, because we are still sitting above the zero line in this particular indicator. Sitting above the zero line, then that seems to be all right. If we can continue to hold this area, we are gapping up just a few pennies this morning, nothing to speak of. But if we can hold this region, we've got ourselves a good chance to upside momentum. Use this level, 144.76, as your baseline support, because if you fail that, you will be in the gap. If you are in the gap, a 50% retracement is extremely likely in the vacuum, and we have a double vacuum right here because we have a gap here and we have a gap here. Pay attention today, all right? Pay attention to those candlesticks. Lower lows, lower highs, you know you're going lower. Higher highs, higher lows, you know you're going higher. It's as simple as that. Simplify the market so your decisions become straightforward. If your decisions are straightforward, you will trade with more confidence and you will trade with greater reliability. All right, good luck today.